Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is my third trying to get through this video. So I have been playing with my camera that I got a year ago, and I've been using it on auto for most of my videos, and I've been wanting to up the quality of my videos. So I've been playing around with it, but every video that I have done has come out horrible. And I really hope that this video works because I'm over it. I've filmed this one way too many times, but today's video is going to be, and I don't have it in front of me. Today's video is going to be my TJMaxx haul. So I'm gonna quickly show you these before the little guys come. I picked up these little gingerbread. I don't know why I'm whispering, they can't understand me, but I feel like whenever I pull these things out, they come running. I picked these up for $3.99 each. And I usually do that with treats. Hide that in there before they come. Then we put the bag out and then they kind of go through it. And I always have to get very similar toys or they will fight over them. So I picked that up, as well as I picked up some earrings. So this is by Luna Norte, I think it is. And I believe that's like Luna North, at least in Spanish. These are the quartz, and this is Power, Energy, and Clarity. And the quartz can be used to purify and clarify spiritual, mental, physical planes, clearing away negative energy and increasing inspiration and creativity. So I got these little dangly ones. And then these hoops, because you know how I love my hoops. And these are originally $30, and then they were at TJMaxx for $16.99. And I do like to get earrings more in like the $8 range or below. But these are a little bit more like nicer quality. Like usually I use a lot more costume jewelry. So I did pick these up. And then now for my two big finds. Continuing on with my 12 perfumes for Christmas. Now these were not on my perfume wish list, but for the price, I just could not pass them up. So I picked up two perfumes, and they are both from Salvatore Ferragamo. This is Signorina Eau de Parfum. This is Signorina Misteriosa Eau de Parfum, the limited edition. Now when I saw this box, it was sitting on the table and it was the only big black box. And I've smelled this at Kohl's. It was very sweet, like really sweet. And I liked it, but I also didn't know how it was gonna play on my skin. But it was $90 at Kohl's, and I was like, no. But anyways, when I locked eyes on this, some lady was walking up and she locked eyes on it. So since I was right in front of it, I grabbed it because I didn't see any other box like this. And when I looked, this was $16.99. And when I checked online, these go for $40. So this is more of a like $40, $50 is where I saw I could get deals on it. I did check Kohl's and it is on there for $90. I don't know why. I've seen this featured in people's cheapies videos, so I guess you can get this definitely discounted in other places, but I found it for $16.99 at TJMaxx, so that was like a steal. And I was there with my friend Rebeca. She was visiting from California, and she's like, you should just pick it up, and if you don't decide you don't want it, you can return it. And I'm like, for $16.99, if I decide I don't want it, I could just pass it on to someone else. So this is limited edition, and I thought maybe this flanker was limited edition, but when I opened it, I realized the bottle is limited edition, and the bottle is so gorgeous. I mean, look at this display. You could literally set this down somewhere. It's so pretty. And then the bottle at Kohl's is just all black, but this bottle, if you can tell, it's got like gold glitter all over it. I already posted my holiday perfumes, like my top holiday perfumes that like kind of get me in the holiday mood. And this will definitely be in next year's. This perfume just reminds me of the holidays. First of all, Signorina Misteriosa. So that is Italian for mysterious young lady. So Signorina in Italian means miss instead of like Mrs. For us in Spanish, Señorita means young lady, miss. And if you're really old school, Señorita is like a virgin. There was a guy I worked with at Publix. He was an older gentleman, and someone had called someone I knew a señorita, and he said, no, she has baby. She no señorita. So in some cultures, it is not only a young lady, but a virgin. So fun fact if you care to know. But Señorina Misteriosa is a mysterious young woman. I mean, definitely not a super mysterious scent. I would say that this one is a little bit more night than the original, even though I would wear this during the day. But this does remind me of like the holidays, like going to see the Christmas lights, and like a very like cozy scent. Now this is a more, not like a marshmallow sweet, it's more like a fruity vanilla sweet. So definitely more juicy than it is like chocolatey, if that makes sense. Let's go ahead and read the main accords. So the main accords are fruity, sweet, vanilla, white floral, and milky. And I would have to agree, this is a very vanilla, fruity, milky scent. So very pretty, very light, not anything too overpowering. I wore this to work to test it out, and it wasn't anything that like projected very far. Like if people got close, they could smell me, but it wasn't anything that left like a really big scent trail. So if you definitely like sweet scents, but they tend to be too overpowering, this one's a very light, pretty sweet smell. So the top notes are wild blackberry neroli, heart notes are orange blossom tuberose, and base notes are black vanilla mousse accord and patchouli. And I really don't get the patchouli in this. I will say that I got like a good full work day out of this, like a decent 8 hours. I could still smell it lingering on my skin. I find patchouli to be something that I can really pick up. I couldn't really pick up the patchouli in this one, but it is listed, you know, on the site that I went on. So this is Señorina Misteriosa. And then as I was leaving, so we were getting ready to, you know, go through the line. Now, most TJMaxx and Marshalls that I've gone through are all set up the same, where it's like a very long like line, and then you have all your rows of cashiers. And in that line, they put a bunch of stuff that you don't need, but you can't resist. So they have a section with some perfumes in case you want to look. They have like mugs, inspirational stuff. So while you're waiting in line, they're hoping that you will pick something else up. And as we were waiting in line, she's like, oh, look, there's another one of those perfumes from the one you picked up. And this was, again, the only bottle there. And this is Salvatore Ferragamo Señorina. So I believe this is just the original flanker. I hadn't smelled this one. Again, it was $16.99, so I'm like, I'm picking that one up. I'm so glad I did. So this one is so like very pretty, effervescent, like a very bubbly but light spring, floral, very, very light musk, like not a lot. Not a very musky scent, but you can smell it. This is a very beautiful daytime work spring scent. The main accords on this are sweet, soft, spicy, rose, fresh, and fruity. And I just like how they use the word soft, spicy, because that's my Oliver. Trying to see if his gift is there. I hit it already though. And this has a very like clean scent. Get a very like fresh, but not like fresh, like a very soft soapiness to it. But the top notes on this are currant, pink pepper, green notes, heart notes are jasmine, peony, rose, and then the base notes are patchouli, musk, and then panna cotta accord, which panna cotta is Italian for cooked cream. And this doesn't smell as dessert as I would say Misteriosa does, but it does have a very like flirty, light, really pretty scent. I don't get the panna cotta accord on this. I get more fresh. I get more of the like the soft, spicy, probably more of the jasmine. It's very pretty. So yeah, that will do it for these two. These two I added to my 12 perfumes for Christmas. This is perfume 3 and 4. And very beautiful scents. I'm glad that they are in my collection. Okay, Since I'm wearing my dog mom shirt, and I know a viewer of mine wanted to see Oliver because she started watching me when I started posting perfume videos, I'm gonna go ahead and flash him. He is getting heavy. He doesn't know where to look. Look over here. So this is my little Oliver. I call him my little fox, and he can just sit here and be petted all day. Yeah, but if I keep on and the other one hears me, he's gonna get jealous. And then every time that happens, he wants me to stay here. So that will do it for today's video. Now my dog is pawing at me because he doesn't want me to stop petting him. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like me and haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Click that notification bell so you know when I upload. And until next time, guys, bye.